Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add car key to your Apple Wallet. First of all, we need to open App Store and in the search, we need to type pass to you and we need to install this app which is called Pass to You Wallet. So this is the middleman, guys. We need to use this app in the process. So let's click the install button, and when you install this app into your iPhone, then you need to open it. After that, you need to click Pass Store in the bottom left menu. And in the top right, you will see the search icon. You need to click it. And in the search, you need to write your car model, for example, BMW. And from the list, you need to find the card which is called BMW Digital Key. So which is right here. You need to open it. And then you need to click Next in the top right. And you need to customize your card. You need to enter the NFC right here and then click done in the top right. After that, you can click add, and this will add the digital card into your Apple Wallet. So when you close this app and when you open the Apple Wallet, you will see your card digital key right here, guys. So that's how you can add your car key to Apple Wallet. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.